What is up, guys? Oh my bad, I just dropped the top of the box. So obviously it's a really big box, and if you guys are OG sneakerheads, or maybe you just love Kanye, you already know what this box resembles. One of his first collaborations, I mean his first collaboration with Adidas. And when Yeezy did his first collaboration with Adidas, there was a lot of skepticism around his collaboration. Basically, a lot of people weren't feeling it, a lot of people were feeling it. Like Nick Young popped out at one of his games with the 750s on in the gray colorway. So a lot of people were feeling it, they liked the design, but it was definitely something that was out there. Like, it had a Yeezy feel to it. He loved his high tops, he loved his kind of thick soles and stuff like that. But when you actually have the light gray Yeezys in hand, glow in the dark, it's honestly insane to kind of see the production of the shoe. The shoe itself is just so beautiful. So as you guys can see, it's just a nice high top shoe. And if you guys do not know, I actually do have the light gray ones as well. These are personally my favorites, and these are kind of my go-tos, but these are one of my favorite shoes. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, they're honestly one of my favorite shoes. But they are definitely grails. You kind of wear them based on kind of how you wear shoes. You wouldn't really wear them as a beater every day. I mean, you could, definitely you could, to each his own. But in my opinion, I'm kind of popping out with a fit here and there with them. I'm not really going to be wearing them every day. So ultimately, the difference between that one and this one, you can see it's a little bit of a darker shade. This one has the white sole, this one has the orange style kind of clay sole. In my opinion, I like the white sole better, but this one is freaking gorgeous. Like, down to the strap, even when the shoe doesn't have the strap, it looks like a really beautiful shoe. Then you put the strap on, and it's really cool because on the inside it says Adidas, and it has the 3 lines right here. Then you have the really dope kind of lacing going up in kind of these swiggles. You have this kind of suede toe box that feels so nice and plush. Then the actual sole of the shoe. This is when he introduced Boost, and people were going insane because nobody really thought to put memory foam to this quality inside of a shoe. Obviously, you had the Adidas Ultra Boost, but then they started getting the Yeezy Boost in the 350 V2s and the 350s, and Boost was actually in this shoe. Now, he didn't put Boost in every single shoe. He only put Boost in shoes that I feel like he probably felt fit. My bad, guys, to cut out. But then you have this entire like high column. So the shoe itself is really high, and it goes up to like almost like 7 inches. So it's pretty high. 7 inches right there about. And then you have the actual kind of zipper on the side. So this is actually Velcro. So you unstitch it like this, you put the zipper down, and that's actually the way you put the shoe on. So when you have the shoe, you open it up like this and you put the shoe on. I honestly can't wait to get these in triple black. That's what I'm really excited for. I want to get them in the triple black colorway, but these shoes are so gorgeous. The suede and the material all around. Look how plush this is. Once you kind of press down on it, it's just so plush and comfortable, and definitely a statement shoe. Like, if you pull these out, every single sneakerhead is going to be turning heads and be like, holy crap, like this guy has a Yeezys. Because it's one of those shoes that like now it kind of died down a bit, but still holds its price. But at the same time, it's a hype shoe. Like, people are going to love that, you know? So I love this shoe so much. I think it is so clean from the back to the side to the front. One of those shoes that definitely comes out and people are like, ew, you know? They have their kind of opinions about it, but as time goes on, they realize that there's a lot of geniusness that goes into the shoe. And I think this is meant to be just an everyday shoe that's very comfortable, kind of similar to the Fear of Gods I have up here. Like, similar styling and height and stuff like that too. So shout out to Kanye, man. He's definitely an innovator. Donda is crazy as well too, guys. But like, comment, subscribe, hit me up on Instagram at pty.valencia. And once again, these go for about $1,300 right now on StockX. So it's a beautiful shoe, and definitely holds its value and has a lot of history as Kanye's first collaboration with Adidas. Love y'all, guys. Take care. Yeah. Let's get into the up close and young foot.
Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna. Yeah, she keep giving me look hotter than the 6 in the summer. Dead ass, girl, I want. Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna. Yeah, she keep giving me look. Yeah, girl, I know you wanna. She's a spice, ride pipe like bike, like Yokohama. She heard the ting bend like banana. So So she wanna give me the adunanani. Oh, yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man, but she say that she don't need a man. I say why don't we make an agreement then we can just, while we're being friends. Girl, I know you wanna, you know I wanna. Girl, I know you wanna, you know I wanna. Shorty too fly though, that's all I know. She don't sing songs, but if I go strong, she gon' hit this high note. She knows she working with the nana, and she wanna give me the adunanani. Oh, yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man, but she say that she don't need a man. What if we make an agreement then we can just, while we're being friends. Girl, I know you wanna, I know you wanna. Girl, I know you wanna, I know you want to, girl. Ride the pipe like a bike, oh. Do the things you know I like, oh. I'm the man in my ends, oh. You're the one that's not pretend, cause the pussy too good, drink too strong. Yeah, I too change, I'm too sprung. Yeah. I, pussy too good, drink too strong. Yeah, I too change, I'm so gone. Girl, I know you wanna, I know you wanna. Girl, I know you wanna, I know you want to, girl. Girl, I know you wanna, I know you want to, girl. Girl, I know you wanna, yeah. She keep giving me look. Oh, she keep giving me look. Oh, she keep giving me look. Yeah. I need you right here beside me. If you oblige me, I hang it up and I'll never come out of retirement. You should just sleep on it, you shouldn't doubt me. It would be different without me. What is it without me? Don't go do nothing without me. This is a blessing, mashallah, wallahi. I swear my life story's better than stories they telling about me. They got it twisted. Ride the pipe like a bike, make sure you're going the distance. And if he wasn't with it, then why were you with him? Maybe you just had to realize that knowing the difference can make all the difference. Oh. She wanna run me out of without me. What is it without me? Don't go do nothing without me. This is a blessing, mashallah, wallahi. I swear my life story's better than stories they telling about me. They got it twisted. Ride the pipe like a bike, make sure you're going the distance. And if he wasn't with it, then why were you with him? Maybe you just had to realize that knowing the difference can make all the difference.